Question: A square coil of side 10 centimeter consists of 20 turns and carries a current of 12 ampere current. The coil is suspended vertically and the normal to the plane of the coil and makes an angle of 30 degrees with the direction of a uniform horizontal magnetic field of magnitude 0.80 Tesla. What is the magnitude of torque experienced by the coil? This is magnetic field. This is square of coil. So area is equal to length into breadth. Area is equal to 0.10 meter into 0.10 meter. That is 0.1 meter square. 0.01 meter square. N is equal to 20. I is equal to 12 ampere current. Theta is equal to 30. B is equal to 0.80 Tesla. Torque on the coil, torque tau is equal to N A I B sin theta. Torque tau is equal to 20 into 12 into 0.80 into 0.01, that is area, into sin 30. So 20 into 12, 240, 0.8, that is equal to 8 into 10 power minus 1 into 1 into 10 power minus 2 into sin 30, that is 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. This 10 power minus 1 and 0 cancelled. Remaining torque tau is equal to 24 into 4 into 10 power minus 2, that is equal to torque tau is equal to 0.96 Newton meter.